how to visualise and negotiate the Neville Cross Junction and the surrounding roads. Heading south on the A167, we're going to turn right up the A690. We'll check our mirrors, indicating right, and move into the right hand lane. Approaching the junction ahead, we're turning right, A690 towards Crook. Checking mirrors, indicate right as we approach the junction. The traffic lights change to green with the right filter. Make progress towards the junction. Remember, the right filter gives our traffic the right to turn right. Off the junction, check the mirrors, and down the hill we go. Heading back towards the junction. This time we're going to turn left, heading north up the A167 towards Newcastle. Stay on the left hand side. Don't indicate too soon. There is a left hand turn here. After the left turn, check your mirrors, indicate left. Approaching the junction. The traffic lights on the left form a pedestrian crossing. So after the pedestrian crossing, we approach a giveaway junction where we need to look right. And if it's safe, emerge onto the A167 and make progress. And this time we're heading up the hill. We're going to turn right at the Neville Cross Junction. Heading towards Darlington. Stay in the right quarter of the road. As we approach the junction, we'll stay in the right hand lane. I'm going to turn right, but beware of what might be behind the bus or any other traffic that's there. Turning right, and let's make progress. And this time we're climbing the hill towards the Neville Cross Junction. We're going to go straight ahead, the A690, heading towards Durham City Centre. The lane arrows tell us to stay to the right quarter, heading towards the junction. So the centre lane goes straight ahead and heads east up the A690. The final part of this tutorial is the St Margaret's Crossroads. We're going to turn right, heading towards the Durham School. The traffic's moving forward, and we move into the right lane. The arrows say you can only turn right. This junction has a staggered stop line because of the longer vehicles coming around the corner heading towards you. So we stop at our stop line, taking note the traffic on the left lane will move further forward. Our traffic light with the right filter changes. We'll move forward, turning right and making progress towards the Durham School. As we progress along Margery Lane, in front of us you'll see a warning triangle saying there's a sharp left bend followed by a sharp right bend. The sign's been bent for years. Turning left. And as we approach the junction, the road turns to the right. Remember not to go straight ahead here. And make progress down the road.